Hello guys, good morning and happy Wednesday here from Philippines. Magandang umaga mga kaibigan. Dito na naman po ang iyong lola, back kang, yes. Having a cup of coffee guys. By the way, it's me again, Rose Canones, and welcome to my vlog. Today's ganap guys, or today's video is early morning here in our country, Philippines or Asia. Yes, it's already 6:10 a.m. and your lola is preparing something for baon. Yes, and today is your lola have a class. Yes, may klase po yung lingkod nyo guys. So, stress at same time, excitement. Yes, naghahalo-halo yung kaba at saya. Kasi today guys, yung mga official ng DepEd mag-visit sa amin. Siguro, i-ano kami, review again, review hanggang mahasa sa lahat sa ano namin. Alam nyo guys, nakaka-amaze ng akala nga namin yung ALS is behind, not, no. Ano pala, nagkakamali ako. Tinutuunan nila pala ng pansin yung ALS. Kasi yung ALS guys is out of youth school. Meaning to say, yung mga kahit anong level ka nang hindi ka nakapag-graduate ng high school, hindi ka nakapag-college, yun, inaalaw nila no age limit. So, nakaka-proud din yung government namin kahit paano, binigyan nila ng opportunity yung mga kagaya namin. So, yes guys. Ngayon pala guys, today, morning, mag-try tayo ng beef vlog para baon po ng lola nyo at ng kids. Yes guys. So, medyo pressure pero na-handle din kahit paano. And guys, dito ako sa labas na luluto. Carbon pala yung gamit namin guys. Chiko, alam niyo ba guys na asan yung kape ko? Nawawala yung kape ko. Asan yung kape ko? Tignan nyo guys, malilimutin na yung lola nyo. Where's my coffee? OMG, where's my coffee? Ah! What? Yes guys. And my teacher chat us in our GC that before 8 the student will be before 8 kumpleto na kami dapat sa school. So then guys, hindi pa nakaligo yung lola niyo guys. Yun lang guys, update lang po galing from me. Before I end this video, I just wanted to say or to greet to each and everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and evening to each and everyone, to all time zone around the world. And have a great day, guys. That's all. Bye-bye.